Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these simple cookies with only 3 ingredients. We will start by adding 200 grams of soft butter into a bowl. If your butter is not soft, you can place it in a microwave for just 10 seconds. Then we will add 1 cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Next, we will add few drops of vanilla flavor. This is optional, you can totally skip it. Then we will mix together until it becomes creamy. Next, we will add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, which is 360 grams. We will mix together until a dough is formed. You can choose to use your hand to mix it. It's way easier than using the spatula. Sprinkle some flour on a work surface and transfer the dough. Roll out using a rolling pin. Next, we'll use a circle cutter to cut out the shapes. Next, we'll take out the excess dough and set aside. Then we'll use the same cookie cutter to make designs on the cutouts. Place on a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Repeat the process until you have exhausted all the dough. Bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius and 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking the cookies, it should look something like this. Allow the cookies to cool down completely and store in an airtight container. This cookie can last up to a month. This cookie is perfect for every occasion. It's a crowd pleaser. It requires minimum effort and little ingredients. Let me know in the comment section which beverage you'll be pairing this with. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, commenting and liking. I would also love to read about your questions, your recommendations and your opinions in the comment section. Will you be recreating this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one.